Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to download your Snapchat data. And when I say Snapchat data, it includes all your messages, videos, photos, and everything. That includes the data. Okay, so for the first step, we're going to open Snapchat. And once open, we're going to make sure that the account that we want to download the data from is the one logged in. And once you're here, you're going to tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. And you will be transferred to the screen. And on this screen, there is an option icon on the top right, or the gear icon. We're gonna go there. Just go ahead and tap it. And you're gonna be presented with this screen. And once you're here, you're just gonna scroll down, all the way down, and head to account actions category. And second to the last of this list, you will see my data. That's the one we're looking for. Gonna tap it. And let it load. And just an advice, once you've tapped my data on your options, it will ask you to log in. You're gonna have to put your email address, or you can use your username or the mobile phone number that you've used. And it's gonna ask for a code on your email or via text. And once you've entered those, you will be presented this screen. And as you can see, there is a list of data available in-app and data available for download. You will see which data you're going to be downloading, such as login history and account information and everything. And on this screen, we're just going to scroll down and you will see these options. You can either include your memories as a downloadable file. You just need to tap on that switch and put it on, and below that you will be seeing this option. You're gonna have to input your email address and you have to confirm your email address by retyping it. And on the bottom part, you will be seeing this calendar. On this calendar, you can select specific date ranges of the data that you like to download. You're gonna have to choose two dates. The first one is for where to begin with, and the second one is the endpoint of the data that you'd like to download. And once done, the submit request button will be clickable. And once you've submit the request, it could take a few hours or a few days, depending on how long is the range of the data that you'd like to download. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.